Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the power of single-purpose sponsored brand headline ads. Let's get into it. Single-purpose, sponsored brand headline ads are designed for maximum alignment between customer intent and ad presentation. These campaigns typically focus on a single keyword or a tightly grouped set of similar keywords to ensure the ad message directly matches the search term. The headline in such an ad should ideally replicate the keyword being targeted. For example, if the keyword is stainless steel garlic press, then the headline should state that exact phrase. This clear repetition improves relevance and makes the ad stand out to users who see their exact search query reflected back. Visual consistency is critical. The accompanying image should clearly represent the product being advertised. Avoid generic catalog shots or lifestyle images that dilute focus. A zoomed-in, product-specific image often yields better engagement, as it reduces ambiguity and reinforces the product match. To further optimize the user experience, traffic from these ads should be directed to a single product store page. This creates a streamlined path for conversion. The landing page should feature the same image or video used in the ad, allowing for visual continuity, and must include a visible Buy Now button to eliminate friction in the purchasing process. Additional descriptive elements can be included in the headline if relevant, such as a product feature or material type, but these should follow the primary keyword. The priority is to maintain keyword-first visibility and clarity. Using automated tools to generate these headlines can speed up the process. Input a list of target keywords and generate headline variations that preserve exact keyword phrasing. This ensures the final ad copy remains tightly aligned with search intent. Many sponsored brand headline ads attempt to be creative or broad in messaging, which often leads to vague results and lower conversion rates. By contrast, a single-purpose approach focuses on clarity and direct response, functioning more like a bottom-of-funnel conversion tactic than a top-of-funnel branding tool. This strategy effectively shifts the sponsored brand ad format from general awareness into a performance-driven tool. When structured correctly, it captures the shopper's attention at the exact moment of intent and leads them down a frictionless conversion path. In summary, single-purpose sponsored brand headline ads prioritize precision over generality. Matching the keyword, headline, image, and landing page creates a strong conversion funnel that engages shoppers immediately and increases the likelihood of purchase. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.